Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today in this video you can show very amazing nail paint nail designs. This video is become very important and very charming because this belongs to very heartily and very beautiful day to enhance your Valentine's Day. You can enhance the beauty of your Valentine's Day by adding and adopting these adorable ideas to create a very unique nail paints on your nails. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you. Valentine's Day is a special occasion celebrated on 14th February each year, dedicated to expressing love and affections to your loved ones. Nail art is a popular way to add a festive touch to your look for this romantic holiday. Here is a description of the Valentine's Day nail art that can add very important, charming and very eye-catching effect to your nails and your hands beauty. First of all, classic red color of your love and passion, making it to go-to choice for Valentine's Day nails. You can opt for a classic red nail polish or get creative with red nail art designs like hearts, roses, or cupid-inspired motifs. A glossy or matte finish can be chosen to suit your styles. Pink delight along with red color. Pink is another popular color associated with romance and tenderness. You can create a soft and feminine look by using various shades of pink for your Valentine's Day nails. Combine lighter and darker shades or incorporate ombre effect. Added the glitter or rhinestones for extra sparkle. Hearts are a timeless symbol of love and an essential element in Valentine's Day nail art. You can adopt these ideas to pick and follow it. Thank you for watching.